Hi everyone, Daily Crafted here. Just a quick unboxing for you. I bought some more art supplies. Another piece of art supplies here. And it's for the coloring book that I had got a while back, a few weeks back. And I know GB Maltese and I had talked about getting watercolor pencils that, because I can use watercolors on that coloring book that I got, so I got these. I was originally looking at the Derwent watercolor pencils, but they were a little more pricey than I wanted to spend, so I went ahead and got these because they kept coming up in the recommended every time I looked at the Derwent to see what the price was on those. I was constantly checking the price on those. So this is Castle Art Supplies, and the packaging over there. I have a little bit extra. So yeah, so these are supposed to be where you can do watercolors, and I'm hoping I can open them without making a big mess. So it looks like a pretty nice set. And so this set of 72 was, I believe, around $29 to $30 when I bought it. I didn't bring the information up, my apologies there, but so it looks like it was protected with the little foam here, which is good. And so yeah, just gives you a little card of satisfaction. Okay, so yeah, it looks like quite a few, I'm going to move this over here actually, quite a few colors to choose from here. And so the tray is just a little plastic tray right there. Like I said, it's 72 colors. Let's see. I'm not sure. My nails are still not done, but I'm planning on doing this hopefully sometime soon. I just want my nails to get a little bit healthier before I put any polish on them again. So it has these 3 plastic trays, and as you can see, there's a wide variety of colors, numerous kinds of blues, numerous greens, earth tones, grays, blacks, whites. I did order a Derwent China white pencil. I guess that's supposed to be really good for highlighting, because I would like to be able to use these to try to do additional artwork and projects as well. So the names of the colors aren't on the pencils, but they do have all the numbers, all of them numbered here. So let me see what might be the easiest one for you to see. Oh, actually, I'll grab this one here. So yeah, so I'm hoping to be able to do like a project. Like I said, don't look at my awful nails. Don't know if this will focus. Let's see, I love this camera that I'm able to do lives, but it doesn't really help me with the focus sometimes. I'm gonna see if that'll zoom in for you. Let's see if we can get it to focus now. No, it still wants to be a little turkey, so maybe that's a little bit better. Anyway, there's a number right there. So, okay, we'll zoom back out here. So yeah, that was the extent of the unboxing for today. And like I said, it's 72 watercolor pencils for around $30. And like I said, I was originally looking at the Derwent. I bought the Derwent yeah, Derwent separate to have an extra white pencil, because I guess that's really good to have for highlighting and that sort of thing. And once again, this is for me to try with my coloring book that I had bought. And I may try a couple other mediums as well. So once again, quick unboxing, watercolor pencils. We'll see how they work out. And everybody have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.